Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to make a Game Pass and please donate. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then search for Roblox. Once the search results are out, head on over and click on www.roblox.com. Once you are now in this section, you are going to click on Continue in Browser. Over here, you'll now be redirected to your Roblox profile. Now tap on Create on the upper right section. For the sake of the tutorial, we are going to be switching to website view so that it's going to be a lot easier. In here, tap on Manage My Experiences. Once you are here over at Creations, tap on any of your experiences over at Roblox. Then, you will now be redirected to the Overview. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left. Once that appears, click on Associated Items. Then in here, click on Passes. Then over at Passes, you are going to click on the button that says Create a Pass. Over at the specific section, you can now go ahead and tweak your Game Pass creation mode. You can also add in a profile photo or a photo for your Game Pass. And then you can also give it a name and then the description as well. Now go ahead, take your time in doing so. Once you are done inputting the details, tap on Create Pass. And then in here, as you can see over at Passes, there already is a pass that we have just recently made. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.